Now, my cookie jar, cookie box thing, this is a leak down test. I'm not going to put the whole thing out, but again, this is one of the types of tools you're going to make that specializes in vehicles that you may work on. This particular one is made for early 70s, actually 70s Fords with vacuum headlights and vacuum systems in general. So you have a slot to put your pressure gauge, or vacuum gauge rather. You're going to have a T and a check valve. So basically what you're going to do is you hook it up, let it sit, and then you're going to be checking the pressure, see if it drops or not. Hopefully it doesn't. Then we got our ODB. Yes, you're gonna laugh again. It's a cheapo little thing because I don't work on a lot of modern cars. It's a simple just scanner and delete tool. But it's again very useful. Now I do want you to notice I label each kit so I know the order they go in. Yes, I am that OCD! Huh! Yes, I'm crazy. We'll deal with it. Alright, got the multimeter kit in here. It's a simple Craftsman. It's worked well for me over the years. However, it's going to have some limits when it comes to the bus, so I will have to get a Fluke. I like these little Pelican cases. They're the 1060. I don't really care about the water tightness. I care about that they're sturdy and they don't let things rattle out. So, yeah. And now, this little bad boy. I even forgot I had it. So, how does this thing work? You turn this on. Alright. I'm not sure if you can see that light. It is very dim. There we go. Alright. And then you take this little guy and you start testing. You connect this to whatever wires you need. And you start searching. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Oh, we're getting close. See, not even touching it, and we're getting close. Oh yeah. That's the circuit we're looking for. Okay. Alright, so that's that. Everything is figure outable.